Hello, and welcome to a new exciting functionality presentation for Mussel App. Today we'll show you a new element that we're trying to optimize, and that is time tracking. Now, why do we optimize time tracking? The best way to optimize something is to look at previous performance. And if something takes X amount of time plus travel time, we can find patterns to optimize the day the best way to allow farmers and skippers to do more work in certain amount of time. So here's an example. We already have this calendar in our system. In the last update, we added this cool functionality, which is on your farm daily, we track the weather, and you can tell why on certain events, on certain days, nothing happened, and it perhaps is because of the weather event. But now we added a little icon of a clock next to it, and I'll show you how it works. Imagine that today, which is 29th of September, we need to add the task, and let's say we're going to assess a line 1A. Can I add the content? Please check. Please also report. And we're gonna pick line 1A, and we're gonna select an assessment and assign it to a boat. Now, we're gonna create an app, a task, and as you know, our system consists of two elements. One is a system that you see in here, which is operation management, and one is a mobile app. Now, our mobile app, as you can see, the assessment line assessment popped in here. Our mobile app has a new element on the bottom, and one is farms, which is something that you already know, and one is tasks that appears in here. Now, our assessment popped in here as a today thing to do. And what we can do is we can take action. Now, when you start the task, it starts calculating the time of element that you're currently doing. All that creates a daily report that most of the boats do already, but most importantly, will allow us to see where can we suggest a better performance elements. So let's say that we finished the assessment, only took 30 seconds. Usually that is not that quick. We finish our assessment. It takes us straight away to assessment page. You don't have to do anything else. Gives us the previous assessment values. So we're going to say that it's now 60 to 70. Let's keep the average at 65. We can add a few other elements if we want to. Our task time is automatically logged. We can add photos, but we're going to submit this in here. And it's created successfully. Now back in here to our app, what's going to happen now is if I refresh it on our little time tracking daily activity, we're going to have our line assessment, which is coming here, 11:01, which is right now. Gives us the assessment. We've done assessment on that line. I can click on it. It takes me directly to that line with a history of the assessment, the weather, what was the weather, which unfortunately is not logged because the simulator doesn't have GPS information on it. But it allows you to do simple time reporting per boat, per farm, per line. And on the top of that, it allows us to future track the performance and cost of mussel farming.